everyone, this is Bea. So for this video, mag-unbox tayo ng flagship killer ang Redmi K20 Pro. And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-set up yung phone. I will show you the specs, features, camera, and also kung paano mag-download ng Google Play kasi wala pang naka-install dito sa phone because Chinese phone siya. So we'll start muna with the unboxing.
Okay, so here's the box. It says Redmi K20 Pro sa harap. Sa ilalim nakalagay kung anong variant yung phone. Yung sa akin ay 8GB of RAM and 256 storage. Sa gilid nakalagay ulit yung name ng phone, and sa likod you'll see their logo for K20 Pro, which is kinda cute. Right, so tanggalin na natin yung plastic. So the box looks nice because of its color na black and my two shades of purple. So when you open it, you will see a separate box. May nakalagay Redmi, designed by Xiaomi. So merong panundot ng SIM card slot, may manual and warranty card at may libreng TPU case na matte ang finish. Okay, anyway, here's the smartphone. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. This one is the flame red. Pero tingnan naman natin kung ano pa yung nasa box. So we have, of course, the charger, 18 watts, and also a Type-C USB cable. So wala siyang kasamang earphones. So, tanggalin muna natin yung sticker niya. Of course, kakapit yung fingerprints natin. So, power button on the right side. Of course, also the volume. And then sa ilalim yung dock port, and then we have their speaker and microphone. At the back, we have the triple camera. Okay, so buksan na natin tong phone. So kailangan mo na siyang i-set up. Of course, bago mo siya magamit, like, you know, the usual smartphones. So by the way, this runs on Android Pie with MIUI on top. So just click the arrow, then choose English, then next, and connect to network. Then lagay mo lang yung password. Click next. Terms and conditions. So, just next. So, in my case, hindi ko muna in-insert yung SIM card ko kaya may lumabas na insert SIM card. And next, may lalabas na Mi Cloud. Pwede nyo i-sync, pwede rin hindi. Tapos, palitan nyo na lang sa settings after. Okay, next, sign into your Mi account. So, kaya meron kayong account, pwede na kayo mag-login. Kung wala naman, skip nyo na lang. The next is set a password. So, pwede kayong pumili kung fingerprint or screen lock. So, if you choose fingerprint, you have to set a password first. So, pili na lang kayo kung pattern, pin, or password. So, ang pinili ko ay pin. So, set your PIN, password, or pattern, and then add your fingerprint. Okay, so pag mag-add kayo ng fingerprint, make sure na yung pagkakahawak nyo sa phone nyo, yung kung paano nyo siya hahawakan kapag mag-a-unlock kayo. So just complete the process. And it's done. And then next, wake with voice. So in-skip ko to kasi Chinese yung kailangan mo sabihin yung voice. Anyway, so next, additional settings. So bahala na lang kayo kung alin yung preferred yung naka-on dito. Okay, and then next, pili kayo ng theme, default or classic. As for me, I chose the default one. Next is the system navigation mode. So pag buttons, ibig sabihin nakalabas yung back, home, and menu. Kapag naman full screen gestures, so para mag-back kayo and pumunta sa home, i-gesture nyo siya sa screen. Like, nandun sa example. So for me, I chose a button. And it's complete. Setup complete. There you have it. Okay. So, makikita nyo sa phone nyo, kapag binuksan nyo yung settings sa My Device, update is available. So, i-update nyo na siya, i-download nyo na yung update. So, ayan, downloading. Let's wait for it to complete.
Ang ganda ng smartphone, diba? Anyway, let's talk about the specs. So it's powered by Snapdragon 855. It runs on Android 5 with MIUI 10 on top. And yes, I mentioned earlier that this is Chinese ROM, but here are the pros. So you can get faster updates since Google restrictions do not apply. And meron kang access sa mga features na hindi present sa global ROM. So if you are planning to buy K20 Pro pero iniisip mo wala pang global ROM, pwede mo i-consider yung Chinese ROM kasi ito naman yung kasi pwede mo naman mapalitan yung language. For example, yung Chinese language, you can uninstall the China specified apps. So ayun, may solution naman. So if you want, then you may consider the Chinese ROM. So far, sa pagkakagamit ko sa kanya, okay naman. I mean, nasanay naman ako dun sa Chinese ROM na. And wala naman akong issue so far. Kasi pwede naman mapalitan yung language. Another feature nitong K20 Pro ay meron siyang Game Turbo. So, ano ba yung Game Turbo? So, it's a kind of technology that allows you to reply to messages while playing games. And then as for the battery, it has 4000 mAh. And also, it has a 7th generation screen fingerprint recognition technology. So, mas improved yung pag-capture ng fingerprint dito. So, let's see kung mabilis nga siyang ma-unlock. It's quite mabilis. Yes, it is. Okay, let's now talk about the design naman. So, as you saw, di ba, napakaganda ng likod niya. Like, may red, may black, and sometimes nagkakaroon din siya ng medyo blue. So, para talaga siyang flame. Anyway, let's talk about the screen. No? So, it's nice na wala siyang notch sa taas and malaki yung screen display. So, this actually has a 91.9% screen-to-body ratio. So, thanks to the 2.1mm narrow bezel. So, kaya pag manonood ka ng videos or anything, pwedeng full screen and magandang tingnan kasi almost, 100% yung screen ay covered. And another thing, it's full HD plus AMOLED, kaya maganda talaga yung display ng pictures and videos. As for the design, so pakarun dito and dito, so I think that's why madali siyang mahawakan or hawakan. Hindi siya yung parang makanto, parang gano'n. And then, yung likod at harap niya ay Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So, ayun, hindi siya madaling magagasgasan. And overall, I think, or for me, yeah, mukha naman matibay yung phone na to. And it's kind of heavy because it weighs 191 grams. So that you would, mararamdaman mo talaga na high quality siya. Hindi siya yung parang cheap na smartphone. Of course, it's really not cheap because it's 25,000 plus. But yeah, for the price, so far, I think it's really good. And consider mo naman yung specs, di ba? Ang taas ng specs nito. As for the camera naman, so sa likod niya, yung sa main camera niya, ay it's triple setup. So, tatlong pa ganon. So, it has 48 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel telephoto lens, 13 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. So, kaya meron siyang tatlong klase, or tatlong klase kapag magpipicture ka. So, for example, we will try the... Okay, so if you will check, you will see, so ayan, naka 1x siya. So, tingnan natin. So, ganyan. And then, pag pinindot mo yung pinakauna, ayun o, kita na yung daliri. So, ito yung wide, ultra-wide. And then, doon naman sa pangatlo, ito yung zoom 2 times. Ayan. And we also have here 48M. So, yeah, may iba't ibang mga options kayong pwedeng piliin dito sa camera. May night, merong panorama, and may pro. So, para sa inyo na gustong kalikutin yung settings, pwede rin to sa inyo. And of course, video, slow motion. Yun, speaking of slow motion, kasi you can actually shoot videos in 4K at 30 or 60 FPS, and then 1080p at 30, 120, or 240 FPS, and lastly 1080p at 960 FPS. So imagine 960 frames per second. So, in slow motion nito, you can choose 960 FPS, or you can choose 120 FPS, or 240. Let's now go on to the pop-up camera. One thing that's unique about this is its pop-up camera. So when you open the camera and then you switch it to the front camera, so tataas yung pop-up camera niya. So it is 20 megapixel and meron siyang sapphire lens cover, and also it can rise 0.8 seconds. And so, baka isipin nyo, paano pag nalaglag yung phone, baka mabali or matanggal yung pop-up camera? So, hindi. Kasi, kapag nalaglag siya or na-feel niya na malalaglag siya, pusa siyang papasok. Ang cute ng tunog. And, in the settings of this phone, you can actually change the sound of the pop-up camera. So, yeah, you may check that out. And then, according to Xiaomi, so the camera has been tested for 300,000 times. Imagine na ganun kadaming beses pwede siyang magtaas at baba bago siya masira. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna reach 300,000, but yeah, it's quite cool. Let me take a selfie. Alright. O, diba? Kitang-kita yung mga buhok sa mukha ko na maliliit. It's really nice. Okay, let's now move on to the audio. So, I was surprised na ang lakas ng audio niya. Maybe because the phone I was using before, sobrang hina ng audio. Kaya, for me, I love the audio quality of this, yung speaker niya. So now, I will show you how to download or how to install Google Play. So you just need to go to App Store and then type Google Play. So makikita nyo na yung keyboard or yung keypad ay kakaiba pa. Para siya yung lumang keypad na magkakasama yung ABC, etc. So you can change that by clicking the icon from the left and then choose EN, or that's English, and then mababago yung keypad into QWERTY. And then, so type Google Play, then install. So, click lang kayo ng click. kapag nagkaroon ng error na may lalabas na couldn't install, reason is cannot downgrade app. So, pag nangyari ito sa inyo, try nyo sa browser. So, yung browser, yun yung parang planet na katabi ng camera. So, pumunta kayo doon, and then, type nyo yung google.com, and then, lalabas na English na yung words. So, madali nyo na makikita yung Google Play. So, i-type nyo Google Play Store APK, download, install, and then, that's it. So, but still, if you have any questions about installing of the of Google Play, so you may comment down below, and you can ask me, and then I will respond to you. Okay, so that's it. So my overall feedback about this product is, yeah, I love it so far. And the highlights for me are the camera, the high resolution screen, yung bilis niya, and of course, yung design niya. And so I will give a full review about this product, about K20 Pro, siguro after 1 to 2 weeks. So kailangan ko muna siya magamit ng matagal, of course. And ayun lang. So again, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So give some love and peace out.